Avondale Beauty Artistry. So today I decided to do a very quick and easy look, how to do look, and that is how to do your individual lashes using falsies. No, and it's really to just get a very natural look. Sorry, I don't know why I'm always using my hand, but yes, it's a very natural look. You can always bump up this look to let it look a lot fuller, a lot more glam, but for me, I'm just doing something natural. So if you want to see the rest of this look, stay tuned to this video. If this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for watching my video. If it's not your first time watching my video, thank you so much for coming back. Remember to subscribe to my channel, by the way. If it's your first time coming onto my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to know whenever I post a new video. And that's it, guys. Stay tuned to the rest of this video. I hope you like it. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and last but not least, leave your comments down below. Okay, so I went ahead and I did these set of lashes on the left. All I did was fill in the spaces that were left out in my lashes. So wherever there are gaps in your lashes, that's where you'll put the individual lashes, right? If you want your lashes to look full, you can go ahead and add more lashes to it. But if you want a very natural look, you know, sometimes when you're going out, you don't want to put on the falsies and look too extra. You can just use the natural lashes, the individual lashes, and just put in pieces like different areas of your eyes and just work from that. So I'm using the LA Girls lash. I took it out of the pack already. As you can see, I've already been using it. I've been using it for some time now, and I've used the short and the medium. Yeah, short and medium. I thought these were long, but these are short and medium. So I'm using these sets of lashes today. So what you're gonna need a set of individual lashes from whatever brand you desire. You're going to need a tweezer, and you're gonna need glue. I'm using hair glue. So all I'm gonna do is just put a portion of the glue on my hand right here, and I'm going to be working from that area back and forth. So don't need a lot, and it's actually my first time doing it on camera, so pray for me, guys, that it works so well. I don't want this to be an utter failure. But anywho, let's get into the video. So I'm using the medium, starting off with medium, and then I will go in with the small lashes, with the short lashes. So use your finger and take it out and remove one of the lash. You can use a tweezer if you like, but I prefer to take it out with my finger, and then I hold on to the tip of it, and then I take the tweezer and hold the end of it right here, and then turn it in the direction. So you ensure that you posture it properly. So you hold the tweezer at the end and hold it in the angle that you're properly holding it, like this, and ensure that it is positioned properly for you to put it into the gaps of your eyelids, of your lashes. So for me, like I said, hold on to the tip and then use a tweezer at the very end of the lash, like so.
Then you just dip it in the glue. Ensure that it is not sticky, you know, like tacky. So like this, ensure that the glue is in its liquid form and not too tacky. I know we prefer to do it that way with the strip lashes. I hope you guys saw that. Let me do it over. Hold on. So this is the lash, right? And I'm putting it into the glue like this. I just need a good amount on it like that. So now that it is positioned like this, all I'm going to do is I have my mirror right here, so I'm trying to ensure that you guys are seeing properly. And all I'm doing, I'm lifting my eyelids, right? And I am just going right below my lash area and put the lash there. I will not be packing it in, I will not be shifting it as yet. I'm just ensuring that it's positioned properly. That's it, that's one. And you will experience some runny eyes. As you can see, I'm already having runny eyes at the moment, but don't mind that. Just continue doing what you're doing. So I'm in with another lash from the medium section, and I'll be working from the medium section until I reach a desired look with my lashes. Whenever the glue is dried up, just remove it and just put another small portion of the glue on your hand again to work from. Like I said, try not to work with the glue being all tacky. So After you've attached that, what you can do now is lift the lash again, and this time you just use the end of your tweezer and just kind of pat it on. When we're through, I hope you can see properly. Okay. When I am through, I will just use a tweezer and just kind of, tweeze them on together. Snap them on. So now,
another lash. Dip it in the glue. Like so. Then, like I said, ensure that it is properly positioned. Ensure that it is properly positioned so it can go into your gap easily. So holding the lash firmly at the end, you lift again your eyelid, position yourself properly in the mirror, and you put it there, right there in the space.
okay, so
yeah, it felt like something was in my eye, but be very careful, guys, especially with the tweezer. If you're not an expert with the tweezer, I recommend you not to use it. You can use your finger, but I prefer to use a tweezer because it gives you that distance between the lashes and your lashes and when you're putting it on. So if you're not good with the lashes, with the tweezer, I prefer you get it done at a professional. But it's really not that hard. So again, I'm taking another medium lash, another set of medium.
Dipping it into the glue. Again, the glue is all dried out. Don't know what is wrong with this glue, but I think it's because of the fan. And I'm sorry about the sound of the fan if it's in the background. It's making too much noise. Alright, so here's the glue again. I'll be using the same glue, same medium lash, dipping it into the glue. Ensure that it is positioned properly on the tweezer, so that when I'm positioning it into my lashes, into the gaps of my lashes, it is easily transferred and doesn't require me moving it all around all the time. So I dipped it in the lash, in the glue, sorry, and then I'm just kind of looking where there are other spaces or gaps in my lashes, and you can put this one right here. Don't know why my hands are shaky today, but another one in, guys. So that's one down, another one down, another one down, putting in another one in. Okay, so far I've used 4 of the medium, and I believe over on this side I used 6, just about 6 of it, and the remaining I used the short. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish using the medium in the video and then go in with the short one.
Okay, so now I'm going in with the short lashes, and I am dipping it into the glue, and then once it's positioned properly in my hand with the tweezer, I'm just going to find the area of my lashes that has a gap, and I'm just gonna put it in right there. It's kind of difficult looking at that angle, but let me try and use it that way. I hope you guys can still see. And that's it right there. You'll ensure your lashes are completely combed out before you do this process. So all I'm doing is just kind of putting it in there, and then after that I will use my fingers or the tweezer to just kind of squeeze it and put it onto my natural lashes. And like I said, it's only 3 of the short lashes that are left in this, and I'm just going to use the 3 that's there. And I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes. Like I said, when you're doing your lashes, you can always add additional lashes to get your desired look. But for me, I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes, and just so you guys can see that it's pretty easy to do. Alright, so taking another short lash, ensuring that it's properly positioned, lifting my eyelid, and just putting the lash in the gap of my lashes. And I hope you guys can see. Yeah. So I'm down to the last lash right now. And that's it. After that, all I'm going to do is kind of squeeze them all together to ensure that it is packed on. So for like these at the end that are on for quite a while, I can just go ahead and just start using the end of the tweezer to just kind of just pat them on like this. And it is not going in my eye, so I'm just laying back the lashes flat, pressing it on onto my lashes. That's all I am doing.
And what I love about this look, especially when I'm doing a full-on look with the lashes, I just ensure that my skin prep is properly done. My skin is exfoliated, it is prepped and ready. So if that I just want to, if I just desire, to wear the lashes, I can just do so with lip gloss, and that's it. Or do a little color correcting and a little concealing. For those who have hyperpigmentation like myself, you can just do a little color correcting, and that's it. No need for the extra makeup when it's not necessary, right? So down to the last lash, and I'm just going to position my hand properly, lift my lashes, my eyelids, again, and just position the lashes, where it should go. I hope I am seeing this one properly. So that's it.
Okay, so at this point, I'm not sure what happened to the audio, but I'm doing a voiceover at the moment, so sorry about that. So all I'm doing, I'm just taking the end of the tweezer and just patting the lashes onto my natural lashes to ensure that they're pasted together and they're packed neatly and they look natural and that they're not falling apart. So I'm just playing around with the lashes now, opening up the lashes and ensure that they're spaced out and they look full and they look natural at the same time. Then I'm taking my fingers and just kind of piecing the lashes just to ensure that they're secure and that they will not be falling apart anytime soon. This look usually lasts me at least a week. Yeah, at least a week. I don't even remember what I was saying there, honestly, and my voice sounded so hoarse, but that's just the final look, guys. As you can see, all I'm doing is just kind of showing you and just pointing out the different area of my lashes, but so that's it.